Good evening, all. Mukti here, and welcome to Pandab Techno Lab. So, yeah, as you remember, right, we have discussed some program to patterns, right? Pyramid patterns, some star pattern we already discussed. So, today agenda is something like we'll discuss, right? Me write some details like. We'll discuss half pyramid of alphabets. That pattern we left out, right? So, pyramid of alphabets. Pyramids of alphabets. And let me okay. Before to that, pattern program. Pattern programming in C, and that is our third session. Okay, that is related to pattern programming. So let me increase the font size, at least I could able to see a little bit better. Okay, fine. Next. So today agenda is we will discuss two programs. Okay, at least half alphabet pyramids. Then after we will discuss the inverted half pyramid. Inverted half pyramid of numbers. Okay, numbers. Fine. Pyramid of numbers. So two program we will discuss today. Okay. So the first one we will be looks like let me draw the structure, I mean the problem statement for the first one. Okay, so this could be like A, B, C, then A. This is my first one. What about the second one? The second one will be look 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Then after 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, then 1. These are my two different programs. Okay. So, okay. Let me quickly start with the first one. Okay. This is half pyramid of alphabets. Pyramid of alphabets. Alphabets. Half pyramid of alphabets. Then after, what we'll do next? We have the structure, right? The first one will be A, then B, B, C, 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 D, 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 E, 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 then after A. Structure. So, if you remember, we already discussed, right, how to get the structure. The only change is we can say like instead of star, we'll print the characters, right? Part of the alphabet that we need to print. That is A, B, or C kind of thing. So now, first, what I told, right? Try to find out the relationship between the row columns, correct? So this is my row and this is my column, that is J, correct? So how many number of rows I have? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5. Rows equals to 5. Instead of that, instead of getting the number of rows, let let me come in the different way, right? What is that? What we'll do? We'll wait the last character. The last alphabet. What you are trying to print? Last row. This is my last row, correct? In the last row, what is the character you are trying to print? That is E. If E, what is the number of rows? That is A will be first, second row B, then B, second row B, third row C, fourth row D, then fifth row is the E. That means number of row will be 5. How will derive? We derive from the character E. What we want to print in the last row. Perfect. So what we will do? Get the last alphabet. What you are trying to print in the perfect. Then after, what will do next? Then what we will do? We got rows first according to the alphabet. What we got? Then in each row, how many number of columns we need? Then what we need? We need the relationship between these two, I and J. Perfect. So if the is I is, let's say, we want to find out the I and J. What is the I? If I have the first row, number 1 row, then what is the maximum? The maximum number of columns will be less than equals to 1. Let's say that is 1. Let's say then 2. This is also 2. Less than equals to 2. Then 3 less than equals to 3. 4 less than equals to 4. But the alphabets are increasing. 5 less than equals to 5. If my alphabet is A, in the second row alphabet I mean A plus that will be B. Then again plus that will be C. B plus that will be C. The entire row, right? The entire row, what are the columns we have? All will C value C only. Then C plus that will be D. Then D plus E. Perfect. That means whenever we are entering to the row, for each row, whatever the columns we have, first we will increase the alphabets, then we will print, right? So now, I got it right. How many number of columns, rows we have, that many number of, max to max, that many number of columns we have in each row. Perfect. Now, so what I will do, this is my find out. I will find out what is my J. J is nothing but J equals to less than equals to I. This is my relationship between I believe till now you are clear. Now, what we will do next? The next step is we need to find out the number of rows. How many number of rows I need to for that? What I need? We need to have the alphabets, the last alphabet. I mean, what is the last alphabet you need to print in the last row. Okay, according to that, the find out the what number of rows. Write the code. So let me write the code. Okay. Next, if you, let me know if you have any doubt till now. I believe it's clear actually till now. So let me write the code quickly now. First include stdio.h. Then after I used to use void. You can use int. If you are using int, then you need to return the 0. Void main. Okay. I comma j for this row and column. What do we need the input. I mean, what is the last value we need? Last character. Okay. Last alphabet. Right? Then after the alphabet from which we'll start printing. In our case, started with A, then end with the E value, right? So like here the input will be E, which will the user going to be, and the alphabet is start with A. So post that we'll ask the users the number of rows you want to print. Printf enter an uppercase character you want to print in the last row. Print in the last row. Perfect. Post that, what will do? Scan that percentile C ampersand of input. Then after 4 I equals to 1, I is less than equals to max to max the number of rows, right? Row length. What are the inputs I have? Minus character A plus 1. This will be my size, then I plus plus. Okay. Next to that, what I will do? So I got the number of rows, right? Then what I need? For each row, how many number of column I need? J equals to 1 and J will be less than equals to what? The max value in each row, that is nothing but the I, less than equals to I, then J plus plus. What next? We need to print in each line, print percentile C alphabet. Perfect, because we assigned the alphabet with 1 here, this one, right? Alphabet. Last to that, what we will do? Once we are able to print one row, in the second row there will be the next alphabet we need to print. So what I need? I need to increase the alphabet, right? Plus plus alphabet. Then once one row is completed, what do we need? we need a new line. End of the for and end of the main. Perfect. Clear. Guys, able to clear now. Able to understand what I'm trying to do here. Let me try run this code. Okay. So I have what are the variables I have? The first one will be input. What is the next? Alphabet. Then after I. Correct. J. Now I have initialized with alphabet. Let's say I'm giving that E. Okay, what is the value? E. Then the alphabet is firstly initialized with A. Now what is my size? Input, that is nothing but E minus A plus 1. Right? Then what I need to have? What is the ASCII value of E? ASCII value of E. Okay. That is nothing but 69. What is the ASCII value of E? That is nothing but 69 minus what is the say ASCII value of capital A? That is 64. So 69 minus 64, that is nothing but 5 plus 1, that is 6. So in my code, what it will do? Sorry, for A that will be 5, right? Not 64, 65. 65. 165, this will be 4. 4 plus 1, that is 5. So what is my max number of rows? Nothing but 5. So the size will be, let me write the size. What is the value of our size or number of rows? The rows will be 5. Perfect. Now I is initialized with 1. 1 is less than equals to 5. Condition true. Then what will do? It will go inside, initialize the j with 1. Next what will do? It will compare 1 is less than equals to 1. 1 is less than equals to 1. Condition true. Go inside. Then print alphabet. What is the alphabet value? A. What will do? So it will print A. Next, j increase, j will becomes 2. 2 is less than equals to 1. 2 is less than equals to 1. Condition false. Then print condition false. It's not going inside this. Then increase the alphabet. The alphabet becomes B now. Right? B now. Then increase the I. I becomes 2. Then 2 instead of 1, 2. 2 is less than equals to 5. Condition true again. So go inside. Reinitialize the j with 1. Reinitialize the j with 1 value. Now it is 1. Now 1 is less than equal to the value of I, that is 2. Condition true. Go inside. Then print the B value. Print B. Why new line? because we have already encountered the slash n, so it's new line. Then after increase the j value, j becomes 2 now. So 2 is less than equals to condition true, then print the alphabet. Then increase the j becomes 3 now. 3 is less than equals to condition false, then what we will do? We will go outside, increase the alphabet becomes C, then slash n, it will take a new line, right? Then the I value is increased, the I becomes 3 now. Okay. 3 is less than equals to 5. 3 is less than equals to 5, condition true. Okay, condition true. Then reinitialize the j with the value. Reinitialize the j with the value again 1. Sorry. Fine. Reinitialize the value with 1. Then what I will do? 1 is less than equals to I. What is the I value? 3. Then what it will do? It will print the alphabet. What is the alphabet? Alphabet is nothing but C. Perfect. Alphabet is C. Now, next j becomes 2 now. So 2 is less than equals to 3, condition true, then print another star. So j becomes 3 now. 3 is less than equals to 3, condition true, then print alphabet. Perfect. Next chapter. I plus plus, I becomes 4 now. I becomes 4 now. So what it will do? 4 is less than equals to 5, condition true, go inside, reinitialize the I with 1. 1 is less than equals to 4. 1 is less than equals to 4, condition true, go inside, then print the alphabet. What is the alphabet? That is D. Right? D. So next, j becomes 2 now. 2 is less than equals to 4. Print now. That is D again. Again it will print the D value. Then j becomes 3 now. 3 less than equals to 4, condition true, then print 3. Then j becomes 4 now. 4 less than equals to 4, condition true, becomes D. Next chapter. I will increase. So before to that, alphabet will increase, alphabet becomes E now. Okay. I will also increase. Perfect. I becomes 5 now. 5 is less than equals to 5, condition true. Then to reinitialize the j with the value 1. J with the value 1. Sorry. J less than equals to I. J with the value, what is the value of I now? 5. Now, so 1 is less than equals to 5, it will print the alphabet. What is that? E. Then j becomes 2. 2 is less than equals to 5, condition true, then print alphabet. J becomes 3. 3 is less than equals to 5, condition true, print alphabet. 4 is less than equals to, condition true, then print alphabet. 5 is less than equals to 5, condition true, then print alphabet. Then 6 is less than equals to 5, condition false. To go outside, increase the alphabet by 1, that is becomes F. Then increase the I with 6. 6 is less than equals to row 5, condition false. Which one? This one. 6 is less than equals to 5, condition false. It will go outside. Then print the output. What is the output? This is my output. Perfect. So I believe if people are clear with these things, Okay, now let's quickly jump into the second question. Let me know if you have any doubt or any clarification you need. Let me know that. Okay, now I'm jumping to the second question. What is that? Inverted half pyramid of numbers. Inverted half pyramid of pyramid, right? Pyramid of numbers. Pyramid of numbers. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, then 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Okay. Now, so what is this? This is the inverse. What are the things we did previously? Reverse of that, but instead of alphabet, we'll print the digits. Okay, the numbers. Now, as I told, first what we'll do, we'll try to find out the relationship between I and J. Now, I and J, the relation and numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay. Then, when the first row, how many number of columns we have? For second row, how many columns we have? 4. Right. For third row, how many columns we have? 3. For fourth row, how many columns we have? 2. For fifth row, how many columns we have? 1. So, if you see this, what are the relationships you are trying to get? I mean, inside, in between I and J. So, the relationship is nothing but the number of rows 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1. Okay. For first row, how many number of columns we need? That is 5. For second row, okay. So, number of rows minus 1. Okay. That means what I'm trying to say. Let me derive and let me write this in the different way. Okay. Let me write in it. Let me write in it. Just a minute. Way. What is this? 5 minus 1 minus 1. What is the 1? That is the value of this one. Okay, minus 1. What is this? 5 minus 2 minus 1. That is 4, right? 5 minus 3 minus 1. Okay. 5 minus 4 minus 1. 5 minus 5 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 0. 5 minus 0 is nothing but 5. Perfect. 5. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 minus 1 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. That means, what is the relationship? The relationship number of rows minus I minus 1, that is nothing but what? The max value of j. Okay, the max value of j. This is one way. Okay, then I will use the loop, then I will print those things depending upon my conditions. But I have different way. What is this? As I told before, right? Either we can start from 1 to the number of rows we have, or we can start from the number of rows then go till the end. So instead of 1, what I will do, I start with 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. If you tell me what is the j value and the I value, this looks like same, right? That means the j value is max to max, less than equals to this value, correct? Okay, if I take this one, what I'll do, each value of j is max to max the number of times, sorry, each rows will contain the same number of columns, right? Let's say, I mean, if I have the fifth number, right? This is my fifth number rows, then what I will have, I will have max to max 5 number of columns for this, 4 number of columns for this, 3 number of columns for this, 2 number of that, 1. Let me write the code. That will be crystal clear. Let me write. So this is my relation, or what we will do, we will write one more relationship. The j will be less than equals to I. This is another relationship. So we will going to use this one. Okay. So you want to write me the entire code. Okay, let me write the entire code itself for you guys. Okay. Guys, I believe the handwriting is not that much problem, right? For you guys, I mean, not that much challenging to understand. It's adjustable, right? Yeah. Let's focus on this program now. So guys, this will be the last pyramid session. If you have any doubt, any issues, any concerns, or any pyramid you want to uh, develop by me, or you want some help on that, so let me know by putting the comments, or the way like we used to provide the mail IDs, right? Or our landline number also, you can call on that. No issues. Yeah, that will be taken care by our team only, and they will let me know like what are the things you people want. Then I will likewise will come up with the solutions. Fine. Let me focus on the code now. So I j, then rows, number of rows you need. Then what we'll do, we'll ask for the rows. Printf enter the number of rows. But next, scanf daily ampersand rows. What next? For let me start with the highest one, that is 5. That is nothing but the rows. I mean number of rows you need, perfect. And that will be greater than equals to 1 or greater than 0 you can do. Let me write the 1. Then I plus plus. What next? I have the rows. Then I need to what? Write the columns. J need to start with 1 and j will be less than equals to I, right? Then j plus plus or j plus plus j. That's fine. Same. Now, oh, so sorry, right? Rows means they need to be negative. Minus minus. Perfect. So now let me. Our output is printing from the one itself, right? Then the structure I'm talking about. In the structure, that is, yes, started from the 1, it's moving till the 5. I mean the highest number of rows. So now what we'll do, we'll print first, then j. Once it's did, then what we'll do, enter slash n, then end of the 4, then end of the main. So this is my code. I believe it's no need to dry run, because we did a couple of programs with the dry run. So I'm stopping here. Okay. So let me know if you are facing any kind of challenging issues, any challenges. Let me know. We'll try to resolve those. Okay. So thank you. Take care. Have a good day ahead. Bye bye.